Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This car drove to the shop in this state. The customer apparently declined all repairs and it ended up leaving on a tow truck. And this customer came in because they had just bought this vehicle on an auction spontaneously and wanted the mechanic to make sure everything looked fine underneath. And this 2010 Chevy Impala came in with a few issues. It has pretty new control arms, but whoever did the job forgot the cotter pins and a couple other things. And this customer came in because they suspected that they had accidentally poured their tall cappuccino instead of oil into their engine. And this customer wanted some new LT all-terrain tires installed on their Chevy Tahoe, but only on one side of the car. When the mechanic asked about it, the customer apparently just replied, "Don't care, just do it." And this car came in because the customer complained about the Bluetooth for his stereo not working properly. When the mechanic removed some trim to access the fuse box, he noticed that the car had been properly seasoned with curry. Customer states, "My car is limping and I needed to stop." Customer states, "Car smokes like it's smoking 13 packs a day." The owner of this truck complained about the front end being a little shaky. Wonder why. And this Jeep Liberty came in for an oil leak after just having had it repaired at another shop. Customer drove in and stated, "My car smokes from the back end and makes funny noises." And this mechanic was just doing a regular tire pressure check on this wheel after a seasonal swap. This customer states, "My car feels a bit wobbly when turning."
And then we'll go through. Okay, and then the other side.
Well, we'll start off
Try
here.
it again. Well, the link.
That's one.
And try run. And the ball joint. And then the bushing.
This customer came in because of an oil leak. The mechanic drained the entire pan of oil of around 5 quarts, but it was still a good 1.5 inches over full. Apparently the truck ended up having a transmission leak and the owner had used the wrong stick when checking the oil level. He ended up overfilling his engine by a total of 7 quarts. And this customer somehow managed to drive into the shop like this, stating wheel bearing noise and wobble going over bumps. The mechanic said that he had just lifted the car up when the wheel fell off on its own. This customer came in because they had driven through a small puddle and now had issues with their brake lights. Customer states, "Car makes farting sound when shifting into park." This customer stated that they had a little vibration at high speeds and came in to get their tires balanced. This car came in and the owner stated, "My battery has exploded, please replace it." The mechanic noticed that the battery was quite new and ended up finding some clues as to what might have actually caused it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, what's that from? What's that from?
Oh, I get it now.
This forklift last out of service 15 months ago. Not only was the air filter this pretty, but the engine was apparently 4 liters low on engine oil. And this trailer came in because it had apparently laid down on its side, but just needed a little touching up, said the owner. This customer came in stating recently replaced oil pan and now truck is stuttering. The technician found the customer had left a rag in the oil pan after installation. Customer states, my brake pedal won't ever get firm. And this customer stated, my right turning signal doesn't work and engine runs a little rough.
Probably for the same reason your check engine light doesn't work.
This customer came in because they said that their truck had started sounding like a tractor recently after having it parked on the street for a few days. And this is after the mechanics had installed a new reman power steering rack with the lines on the rack being crossed. This customer complains about their car shaking a lot over 40 miles an hour. Now this might look like a pretty big issue, but it's actually a free drive and assist mode that helps get drivers loose if they're stuck in snow, mud or sand. And this customer drove over 4.5 hours on a bad tire and had it blow out on them about 12 miles from the shop.
Right here.
Customer states, my fuel mileage ain't getting better after having installed this at another shop. This customer came in stating wobbling sounds coming from the front right wheel. This car came in with the wrong drain plug, a dented oil pan, and this beautiful custom-made design. Customer states, my car has starting issues. And this customer just wanted the mechanic to fix his control arm and nothing else. This customer came in with their Volkswagen Beetle after having stated issues with the reverse gear sounding kinda weird.
Oh, that can't be good.
And this is what the gear ended up looking like. This customer's Tesla apparently caught on fire after they had their garage flooded with salt water. And this customer had decided to do some electric work on his car all by himself. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.